Hello everybody, my name is Jackson and I'm a YouTuber. Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about how to make money in the year 2021. 2020 understandably has been a very tough year, and we are hoping that 2021 and 2022 will be good years. So in a nutshell, today I'll be talking about how as people living in this country or in the world, wherever you are in the world, how you can hack 2021 and 2022 financially. And I have 4 tips. No, not 4. I can make them 5. Let me make them 5, which are basically tips of how you can make money in 2021 despite turbulence year in the 2020 and some part of 2019. I know the ripple effect of 2020 are spilling over to 2021, but we're hoping for the best. So let's dive in. I've jotted down a few points about this topic, so you'll bear with me because I'll be reading from time to time. So the first point is if you have some spare room in your house, you can lease out to tourists who come in form of backpackers through websites like Airbnb, which are online. I'll put the link here and also down in the description of this video, which is a site whereby you can lease your spare and unused bedroom or a coach to potential without going the extra mile of making your house an hotel or whatever. So if you have that space to spare, go ahead and create an account in that website. I think there are more, but for now, which I know is Airbnb. The concept has not been properly absorbed in our country, but with time, as goes by, it will pick the same way Uber as a service took off in our country. On to the second point. If you are struggling so much in this year, you can sell the extra items, the electronic items lying unused in your house. If you go into our houses, you'll find that we have an unused TV, an unused fridge, an unused dishwasher, unused laundry machine. If you sell them in the flea market, you know what flea markets are, you get that extra back, which can support you, or you invest the money in a financial market. If you are a person of the 21st century, you must be having some useful skills. And if you don't have these useful skills, you can learn them online. There are useful skills like coding, public speaking, video editing, and these skills you can obtain them in free for use websites like Code Academy, Udemy, Coursera, and so many other. When you go to Google, just Google free for use courses. Maybe you specify in coding or public speaking. And even if you go to YouTube, you can learn new skills. The same way you can learn editing videos like this one online. So I would encourage someone, if you find it the year is getting so hard for you, you can learn a new skill, then you can sell it online. You can sell the services online. On to the fourth point, which is you can make some content online and copyright it and sell to potential customers. An example is a site called canva.com. I'll put the link here and down in the description. You'll find it down there. Canva is a free for use website whereby you can make digital contents and sell. Of course, there are free ones, but you can put your own premium contents. You copyright them and put them there. You sell, and you'll be making rolling cash while you are sleeping. So you can also make ebooks, pamphlets, and if you are well endowed in terms of photography, you can make crispy B-rolls, which we can use in videos like the one I'm making. If you make good B-rolls, you can end up selling them in stock photos, stock videos. There are websites which sell. There are websites that sell stock videos and such. So in a nutshell, don't knuckle yourself in that single room and say that the year is so hard. If your business crumbled in the previous year, you can try something to feed your children. And it's good that we are living in a new generation whereby it's a new dispensation whereby wealth is not a must that you go and mine coal to be able to be rich. You can be rich by owning real estate online, which is the new gold mine. So don't wake up and sleep in your room and say that there is no work. You can work online, and if you don't have these skills, you can also go into a Kenyan website called ajira.com and learn skills like transcription, virtual assistance, and so many other courses which are being offered there. Sometimes back they were offering academic writing, but it's like it's cheating. It's cheating put in good words. So let's go to the other point. If you want to be financially stable in this year, you can invest in some stocks and shares and government papers. I don't know what is the other name for government papers. I don't know whether they're the T-bills and still the treasury bills, treasury bonds. I don't know the correct name. But basically, in Africa, we have not invested so much in shares. So foreigners have taken the lead. The few people who invest in shares, it's a small percentage which knows how shares operate. You need to be able to discern the way to open a C account and how to read the market, the fluctuation of the shares, such that you don't buy while the price is so high. So in Kenya, there are good companies like Safaricom PLC, others like KCB, and basically most of the blue chip companies are doing so well. So if you buy today, you'll end up making a profit in, let's say, 10 years, and each and every year you'll be getting some dividend from your investment. There was some time back when Kengen floated its shares for Kenyans to buy and other people from other nationalities, but most of us people stayed there as spectators and we didn't buy, so we ended up losing out. So buy some shares, bonds, and stocks. Bonus tip: you can utilize your unfair advantage which you have over other people in your own life. You know the advantage you have over other people. So if you have parents who are very supportive, you can get some money from them. If they are wealthy, you can make sure you use their wealth to get ahead. Don't just say that I'm stuck and you accept that you're stuck. Anyway, that's it for the video for today. Consider subscribing to our channel. Click the notification bell such that when I post a video, you'll be notified. And thank you for watching. Peace.